Hey Dr. Leo. Do you want to hang out with us after school since you are no longer grounded?
Yes. Do you want to hang out with us terriers?
Do you want to?
Sure. Meet me at 4:30 p.m. this afternoon in front of the Blockbuster movie store.
Attention all students. This is your principal, Mrs. Catherine A. Ruby. Today at 10:07 a.m., we will have a region-wide tornado drill. Be calm and quiet while the tornado drill is in session. If you do not, you will end up in big trouble and get sent to my office because this is severe weather safety precautions and we must take this 100% seriously. In fact, we are doing this just like the state of Kentucky does every year because of late arrivals by bus or car. Have a nice day of learning and go Orioles.
Have a nice day of learning. Geez Louise, terriers. How come you all went death and severe weather is coming to your area?
What are you talking about? It's only a drill, remember?
I agree with terrier number 1.
Me too.
It's kind of hard to explain, boys. When I lived in Andover, Kansas on April 29, 2022, almost a month before the Rochester train collision in Georgia, a large F5 tornado struck near Sedgwick and Butler counties, and I was crying, and I was so scared I would pee my pants. I have a fear of tornado watches and tornado warnings. Even tornado drills.
Just?
Oh. We terriers got to get to class.
Goodbye.
Okay, class. Today we are finishing up the algebraic unit in math today, so get out your scientific calculators, textbooks, and notebooks. I'll be passing out your Do Now worksheets later on.
Staff and students, may I have your attention for just a moment? It's time for the region-wide tornado drill serving all portions of Taleslandia and Eleonoria, including Rainbow Forest and San Andreas. In the real world, it has been postponed to Friday due to inclement weather. But on the brighter side of things, we are now under a tornado watch. I will be back on the PA to issue a tornado warning very soon. And students, do not panic. This is only a drill. Again, I will be back on the PA to issue a tornado warning very soon. Thank you.
Boys and girls, don't you all worry, this is only a tornado drill. When Mrs. Ruby comes back on the tannoy, which means intercom in British terms, to issue a tornado warning, we will go into the hallway, get down on our knees, and cover our head with our hands. In fact, the local media is there to see the tornado drill in action. Mia Rex Road the hyena will be taping in our hallway from Taleslandian Gardens Media.
I've never seen news media coming into our school before.
Neither did I.
No. Please don't do the tornado drill. We are all going to die.
A few minutes later.
Staff and students, may I have your attention once again for just another moment? We are now under a tornado warning. Please go to the hallways, bend down on your knees, and cover your head with your hands and act like this was real. Any classes that are inside the portables or in different buildings should join them at this time and do the same thing. Students and staff in different areas of the campus, please make sure to fill the second floor of Building B, the hallways of Building A, the locker rooms in the gym, and other areas within the campus to ensure severe weather safety. Thank you.
All right, boys and girls, please follow Mackenzie into the hallway, bend down on your knees, cover your head with your hands, and act like this was a real tornado warning in our area.
Oh fudge.
Great job, Chip, Nico, Gigglish, Stomp, Stamp, Caden, Kyle, Mia, Dina, Karina, Lakendra, Jaden, Courtney, Colby, and Guy L. All of you did a wonderful job.
I'm a big scaredy cat. Gave me Alvaj Cube Nerg.
Dr. Leo, stop dancing. talking in a very fast manner, and be quiet. Also, stop acting insane.
We're all going to die, 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 we're all going to die. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, la la wa. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, shine, shine, Windows XP Professional Control Alt Delete la 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 la.
Dr. Leo, get your tail back here right now. Quit running around the first floor hallway of Building B. Cover your head with your hands like everybody else in my class and other classes, and keep your mouth shut, or after the tornado drill, go to the principal's office.
All circuits are busy, all circuits are busy, all circuits are busy, all circuits are busy. Try calling again later, try calling again later, try calling again later, try calling again later. Soy, lol, rope. And Sheila's files should be raised from her memory. Delete my ass to hell. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, I want out.
What is going on?
God damn it, Dr. Leo. Stop banging on that exit door, bend down on your knees, and cover your head with your hands. Right. Now.
Yay, I'm free. Adios amigos.
How did that student speak actual Spanish?
Jesus Christ, Dr. Leo. Get back in Building B right freaking now and cover your head with your hands like everybody else, or after the tornado drill, you will go directly to the principal's office. That does it.
Well, that was uncalled for.
Attention all students, staff, and faculty. The tornado drill is officially finished. You may now return to your regular operations. Also, Dr. Leo Thomas, report to my office at this time, located in the Student Services building. Thank you.
You've got to be kidding me.
Dr. Leo, do you know why I called you in my office inside the Student Services building?
Nothing.
Nah. Our cameras, as well as Mia Rexroad's video camera owned by Tales Landian Gardens Media, caught you escaping the drill and running around the hallway in Building B and leaving Building B to go to the courtyard.
But I...
Nope. No excuses. That was very disrespectful and violated our Oriole Code of Conduct. You would act like that in a real tornado warning, would you? That's it. You are getting a white slip. Me and your teacher, Mr. Whitehorse, are very disappointed in you right now for disrespecting the tornado drill. On top of that, you are getting 3 days of in-school suspension, 2 days of after-school detention, and 1 Saturday detention, all of which are to be served consecutively. Go home now.
No. Anything but a white slip. In school suspension, after school detention, and a Saturday detention. Could this get any worse?
Oh, you got a white slip, huh? Let us see the white slip. Oh, Dr. Leo, we all cannot believe you disrespected the tornado drill and got suspended for approximately 5 days. On top of that, you ended up getting 3 days of in-school suspension, 2 days of after-school detention, and a day of Saturday detention. That's it. You are grounded until all of the given detentions are served after your suspension is over.
Now go upstairs to your room now.
Why could this be happening to me?
Thanks for watching. Sorry for the 10-month hiatus. We are all busy on other stuff and legal issues. Also, we had to switch from East Dravenberg Academy to Tales Landian River Twin Cities Elite Charter School. So that's why we are focused on other stuff, such as High 5 Tales Landia and some other grounded series planning. As an added bonus, we've added more and more sounds and pictures to make future videos, like this one, extra realistic. This is Chloe Hodges saying, see you next time.